In this tutorial, I just want to say if this is a question, right, and you want to find out the value. So for example, if I'm told that this side of the rectangle is 5x and this side of the rectangle is 3x minus 6, and I will assume that this side is also 5x because it's the same length as this one, and this side is also 3x minus 6, right? That's what I have been told. So, and then I've been told that the area around the rectangle, the whole area around the rectangle, it equals to 36. All right, so what I'll do is, the easiest thing is I will write down 3x minus 6, right? So I put it in brackets, and then that's twice. I have to multiply by twice because there are two sides, right? Plus 2 times 5x, right? Because there are two sides of 5x and two sides of that, so that's my equation. And we have been told that the total equals to 36, right? So I will rewrite that equation. On another page. 3x minus 6 plus 2 times 5x, right? And that equals to 36. But let me solve this equation. So the rule is that whatever is outside the bracket, I have to multiply it with whatever is inside the bracket individually. So I'll multiply 2 by 3x and 2 by minus 6 and then 2 by 5x, right? So that's the rule. So let's have a look. So 2 times 3x is 6x, right? 2 times minus 6 is minus, and then 2 times 6 is 12, plus 2 times 5x is 2 5s 10x. Now let's simplify this. So I have 6x and 10x. I will add those. 10 plus 6 is 16x and minus 12. I can't simplify it further because I have only one x and one number. In the question, I have been told that this equals to 36. Now let's solve the equation on the next page. So we have 16x minus 12 equals to 36. I'll bring the numbers to one side. So I'll bring this over to here, and when I bring over, I have to change the sign, minus sign, to plus because I'm bringing over to other side. So it's 6x equals to 36 plus 12, and 16x equals to, that's 48, right? And then let me do it over. 16x equals to 48, and I will divide that. So I can divide that. So I have to leave the x alone, so I have to bring the 16 over because 16 is being multiplied by x, so I have to divide it when I bring over. So I can say x equals to 48 over 16, and then you can simply solve this equation, put it on your calculator and solve it. And I'll just do it like that. I'll divide it by 8, so it gives me 2, and then that's 6, right? 2, and then further I can divide it by 2, and that leaves me with 1, 3. So it gives me that. You can do this on calculator, but I don't have calculator right now with me, so I'm doing it like that manually. So x equals to 3. That's my answer. And then if you want to check that, so you can say you can just insert 16x minus 12, 16x, instead of x you write down this, minus 12 equals to 36. Okay, let's have a look. So 3, you can do this in your calculator if you want, and that gives me 48 minus 12 and equals to 36. And let's do it. 48 minus 12 equals to 36. I'll bring 12 over to here if I want, or I can just subtract that. You can say, you can not, sorry, don't bring it over, don't complicate it. 48 minus 12, do it in your calculator, you'll get 36 equals to 36, right? And that's the right answer. So that means we have the value of x that we found is correct. Please let me know if you are still confused or if you're still struggling. Please comment below the video and let me know how you find it, and I would love to help you further. Thank you so much.